step away from the store. Right now.
You got a death wish, sweetheart?
Take a look at this channel. They're creating short AI movies for YouTube, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and Facebook Reels, and they're getting thousands of views across their videos. As you can see, viewers are actively engaging with the content through likes, comments, and shares. But what if you could create AI movies like this without doing all the heavy thinking yourself? People are making a great deal of money creating short films with AI and sharing them across social media platforms. In this video, I'll show you how to create stunning AI movies with consistent visuals using Flova AI, starting from a single idea. So, let's get started. First, head over to Flova AI and create a free account. Use the link in my description to register and get 200 credits immediately, plus an additional 200 credits every week you log in, which is more than enough to get you started. One thing I really like about Flova is that it brings most of the AI filmmaking process into one place. Instead of paying for multiple tools for image generation, video creation, voiceovers, music, and editing, you can access a wide range of AI models directly inside Flova. This makes the workflow much simpler and saves you from constantly switching between different platforms. Another thing that's really useful is that you don't always have to choose the AI models yourself. If you're unsure which model will produce the best results, Flova can automatically select and optimize the right tools based on what you're creating. And because everything runs through a chat interface, you can also use it as a creative partner. Whether you need story ideas, visual inspiration, or help improving a scene, you can simply ask and get suggestions without leaving your project. Now, the feature that really makes Flova stand out is Skills. If we click on the Skills section, you'll find a collection of ready-made workflows designed for different types of projects. These workflows are built to handle much of the heavy lifting for you, so you don't have to start from scratch every time. For this tutorial, we're going to use the narrative short film skill. This particular skill is designed for creating story-driven AI films while maintaining consistency throughout the entire project. It helps keep characters, scenes, and even voices consistent from one shot to the next, which is incredibly important when you're creating a movie rather than a collection of random clips. If we open it up, you'll notice there's a lot happening behind the scenes. The skill already contains a detailed workflow, instructions, and logic that guide the AI throughout the filmmaking process. The great thing is that you don't need to understand all of that technical setup. The skill handles it for you, allowing you to focus on the story and creative direction instead. And if this particular workflow isn't what you're looking for, you can always return to the home page and choose a different skill that's better suited to your project. Now, instead of spending hours planning scenes one by one, I'll start with a single prompt and let Flova help us turn it into a complete movie. For this example, I'll use the following concept. A realistic cinematic action movie set in a busy small American town in broad daylight. The story follows a highly trained U.S. female soldier confronting a dangerous armed robber who has been terrorizing the community. As soon as I submit the idea, Flova Agent begins building around it, and this is where the platform feels very different from most AI video tools. Instead of simply generating a few images or video clips, it works more like a creative assistant that helps shape your project from the very beginning. You can talk to it naturally and ask it to improve the story, extend the plot, suggest stronger action sequences, explore different visual styles, adjust the pacing, enhance character development, or recommend more cinematic camera angles. This interaction helps guide the project in exactly the direction you want. And if you ever get stuck creatively, you can simply ask Flova for ideas. It can brainstorm alternative scenes, introduce new story elements, or help refine existing ones. Now Flova has generated the scenes for the video. As you can see, the descriptions are detailed enough to create a 6-scene short film. For this demo, I'll ask Flova to reduce it to just 4 scenes. For longer videos, you can increase the scenes. Once the number of scenes is confirmed, Flova continues building the story, creating the video specification, and generating the storyboard automatically. Next, it prompts me to decide whether I want dialogue. Since I'm creating a video with dialogue, I also have several voice options available. I can use Flova's built-in voice models or upload my own reference voices. For this tutorial, I'll simply choose this option and click Send. Now the agent gets to work, creating everything based on the instructions we've provided so far. One thing I really like is how transparent the entire process is. On the left side, you can see every step being completed in sequence. Flova doesn't keep you in the dark. You can follow the workflow from audio generation to image generation, and finally video generation. It also asks for your input before moving forward with important decisions. As you can see, all of our images and shots have now been generated. The next step is video generation. Here are the available options. It's important to review them carefully, choose the one that best fits your project, and then click Send. The agent has now finished generating the video. But what's a movie without some background music? Thankfully, I don't have to do that manually. Flova can generate suitable background music automatically, so I'll let it create a soundtrack that matches the mood of the film. Once everything is ready, the project comes together inside the timeline editor. Here you'll find a multi-track editing workspace where you can manage video clips, music, voiceovers, scene timing, transitions, and pacing. Instead of exporting dozens of separate clips and assembling them in video editors like CapCut, much of the production process can happen directly inside Flova. When the movie is finished, you can export it for YouTube, TikTok, client projects, short films, episodic content, or any other platform. What makes Flova interesting isn't just the AI generation itself. It's the fact that it helps with story development, visual consistency, asset management, workflow automation, storyboarding, and editing, all within a single platform. Instead of paying for multiple subscriptions and constantly moving between different tools, much of the filmmaking process can happen in one place for a relatively low monthly cost. That's a massive time saver for creators. If you'd like to follow along with this tutorial, I've left a link to Flova in the description below. You can create a free account, get 200 credits immediately, plus an additional 200 credits every week you log in, and start experimenting with your own AI movie projects right away.